Power Efficiency Guide Review, add to your survival kit. How long can your refrigerator keep your food fresh during a power outage if you keep it closed? An unopened refrigerator can keep the food cold for 4 hours. A full freezer will keep the temperature for about 48 hours, and for 24 hours if it is half full, if you keep the door closed. So your food can last for max 48 hours. What if the power outage lasts longer than this? You should look for an alternate energy source which is cheaper and available in emergencies. Analyze the Power Efficiency Guide Review. Don't buy it until you see this. If you are apprehensive if this is another free energy scam, check out the latest Power Efficiency Guide Review Update 2019 where the whole process is explained with illustrations. Watch the Power Efficiency Guide. Mark Edwards gets special discount here review. Click the link below to watch the video presentation.